Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best sticky hangers is probably one of the most versatile and convenient solutions for anyone looking to decorate their living space without the hassle of traditional nails or screws, offering a damage-free way to hang pictures, posters, and other lightweight decor items, making it an ideal choice for renters or anyone who frequently redecorates their home. Number 5. EZlifego Heavy Duty Nano Mounting Tape. Introducing our revolutionary tape, crafted with advanced nanotechnology and the latest acrylic gel. It offers incredible adhesion and durability for all your mounting needs. Forget tools and waiting times. This tape bonds instantly and securely to any surface, making your DIY projects a breeze. Simply cut to size and stick. Our strong adhesive tape is weatherproof and leaves no trace behind. It performs exceptionally on smooth surfaces like walls, tiles, glass, and metal. Securely mount pictures, decorations, shelves, and more without drilling or nails. It's the perfect solution for organizing and decorating your space. This all-purpose tape simplifies every task, from hanging frames to securing carpets. For easy removal, peel slowly at a 0 degrees angle to avoid residue or damage. What we like? This tape offers incredible adhesion thanks to its advanced nanotechnology. It's perfect for those who need a strong, reliable bond for various DIY projects. If you're looking for a versatile solution that can be cut to size for any mounting need, this is the one. What people say. These hangers are very strong and hold pictures securely without damaging the walls. The adhesive is excellent, and the hangers are easy to apply and remove cleanly. They are perfect for hanging lightweight frames and decorations. Number 4. GLUIT Adhesive Wall Hooks. Introducing our heavy-duty adhesive hooks, designed for secure hanging without any drilling. They are perfect for organizing your home, office, or even outdoor spaces. These hooks can hold up to 22 pounds on smooth surfaces, making them ideal for towels, keys, and everyday items. Their transparent design blends seamlessly with any decor. Applying them is a breeze, just peel and stick to a clean surface. You can easily reposition them without leaving any damage, and they are reusable after cleaning. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and durable PVC, these hooks are built to last. They are non-toxic, recyclable, and maintain their clean appearance over time. For the strongest grip, ensure the surface is clean and completely dry before applying. Press firmly and wait 24 hours before hanging your items to ensure maximum hold. Use them in your kitchen, bathroom, office, or even outdoors. They provide a reliable and convenient way to keep your accessories secure and organized. What we like? These hooks are designed for heavy-duty hanging, capable of holding up to 22 pounds on smooth surfaces. Their waterproof and transparent design makes them ideal for humid environments like bathrooms or kitchens. If you need a discreet yet strong solution for organizing towels, keys, or small bags, these are a great choice. What people say. These hangers are incredibly strong and hold my heavy-framed pictures securely without any issues. The adhesive is very strong and has kept my pictures perfectly in place, even in a humid bathroom. They are easy to apply and remove without damaging the paint on my walls, which is a huge plus. Number 3. Jwxstore Heavy Duty Self-Adhesive Wall Hooks 24-pack. Tired of unsightly hooks ruining your decor? Our transparent hooks blend seamlessly into any environment, offering a stylish and discreet solution for your home and outdoor spaces. Crafted from premium stainless steel and PVC, these hooks are designed for longevity. Their rust-resistant and color-fast build ensures they maintain their appearance and strength over time. Forget drills and nails. Simply peel and stick these hooks onto any smooth surface. They adhere securely without causing any damage to your walls, making setup a breeze. From keys and coats to towels and plants, these hooks do it all. Their strong adhesive supports up to 33 pounds, making them perfect for a wide range of applications throughout your home. This value pack includes 24 heavy-duty adhesive hooks, providing ample solutions for every room. They are the perfect modern and stylish addition to your kitchen, bathroom, or entryway. Don't worry about moisture. These waterproof hooks are ideal for bathrooms and showers, ensuring reliable performance even in damp conditions. What we like? With a maximum load of 33 pounds and a rust-resistant build, these hooks offer superior durability and strength. The unique 180-degree rotation feature allows for space-saving versatility. If you need robust hooks for a variety of surfaces and want to maximize your storage space, especially in kitchens or bathrooms, consider these. What people say. These hangers are incredibly strong and hold my heavy framed pictures securely without any issues. The adhesive is very strong, and the hangers are easy to apply and remove without damaging the walls. They are very discreet and blend in well with the wall, making the pictures appear to float. Number 2. Command Picture Hanging Kit. Easily hang up to 15 of your favorite pictures with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need for a variety of frame sizes and types. Say goodbye to holes and sticky residue. Our innovative strips keep your walls looking beautiful, allowing for damage-free decorating. Forget the hammer and nails. You can securely and levelly display your items anywhere with a simple press, click, and hang. These strips hold strongly on a variety of surfaces, including painted walls, wood, glass, and concrete. Decorate your space with confidence. When it's time for a change, they remove easily without any sticky residue or wall damage. Cleanup is a breeze. This kit offers multiple solutions, including picture hanging strips, poster strips, and various picture hangers for all your decor needs. What we like. This kit provides a damage-free solution for hanging up to 15 pictures, with various strip sizes included. It's perfect for renters or anyone who wants to decorate without damaging walls. If you frequently change your decor or need a reliable way to hang framed photos without nails, this is an excellent option. What people say. These hangers are incredibly strong and hold my framed pictures securely without damaging the walls. The adhesive is very effective, and the hangers are easy to apply and remove cleanly. I love how discreet these hangers are. They blend in perfectly behind my artwork. Number 1. LMJIA Removable Poster Putty. Tired of damaging your walls with traditional fasteners? Our removable poster putty offers a clean solution for hanging your favorite items without leaving any residue behind. Instantly adhere balloons for garlands or create stunning party backdrops with our adhesive dots. They provide a strong hold for any celebration, eliminating the mess and drying time of other adhesives. Protect your security deposit with this renter-friendly sticky tack. It holds posters, photos, and decor securely, peeling off cleanly without any holes or damage to your walls. Unlike other options that can stain or damage paint, our clear sticky putty dots blend seamlessly with your decor. Let your artwork take center stage on gallery walls or in your scrapbooks. These double-sided sticky dots are a perfect replacement for tacks. They are ideal for hanging posters, mounting classroom decorations, or simply as a reliable way to hang items on your wall. Plus, you can reposition and reuse them for various projects. Whether you're a teacher, a renter, a party planner, or a student, these sticky dots are designed for you. They offer a convenient and damage-free way to hang and display your items. What we like. This sticky tack offers a damage-free way to hang posters, photos, and balloons, making it renter-friendly. Unlike other options, it provides instant adhesion without mess or drying time. If you're planning a party, decorating a dorm room, or need a temporary, residue-free way to display items, these dots are ideal. What people say. These hangers are incredibly strong and hold my framed pictures securely without any issues. The adhesive is very effective, and the hangers are easy to apply and remove without damaging the walls. I love how discreet these hangers are. They blend in perfectly with the wall and don't detract from the artwork. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.